Next, you'll be asked if you want to generate a source.yaml file. Select Yes by pressing Enter. Generating source. .yaml files is an integral part of setting up your DBT project. These files define how DBT interacts with your data sources, ensuring clear documentation, consistent data lineage, and robust error handling. Before generating the source.yaml file, Paradime will automatically fetch available databases and schemas from your connected data warehouse. You'll first be prompted to select the database where your source data is stored. We'll select NBA by pressing Enter. Following this, you'll be asked to select the schema where your source tables are stored. We'll select Public and press Enter. Paradime will then generate a source.yaml file. Using naming convention source and your specified schema name, which you can change,